Unhealthy foods, often referred to as junk foods, encompass a variety of items that are high in calories, fats, sugars, and low in essential nutrients. Here are 10 mind-blowing facts about unhealthy foods that may surprise you. First, sugary drinks are among the most fattening items you can consume. A typical 12-ounce can of soda contains around 39 grams of sugar, which is equivalent to about 10 teaspoons of sugar. Second, processed foods are a significant source of added sugars and unhealthy fats. Unhealthy foods often contain trans fats, which can increase the risk of heart disease. Third, fast food is one of the major culprits of unhealthy eating. A regular fast food meal often exceeds the recommended daily calorie intake. Fourth, packaged snacks such as chips and crackers are loaded with artificial additives and preservatives that can harm your health in the long run. Fifth, sugary cereals, often marketed towards children, are packed with sugar and lack fiber. Sixth, energy drinks not only contain high levels of sugar but also caffeine, which can lead to increased heart rate and anxiety. Seventh, a diet high in unhealthy food can lead to obesity, diabetes, and a host of other health problems. Eighth, consuming large amounts of processed meats like bacon and sausages has been linked to an increased risk of colorectal cancer. Ninth, many unhealthy foods are designed to be highly palatable, meaning they are engineered to be rewarding, and in some cases addictive. Finally, the marketing of unhealthy foods can be misleading. Labels like low-fat or natural often mask the unhealthy ingredients that they contain.